Wait. Oh, hi guys. It's me and my brother, and today we're gonna open a pack of gogos. Let's first let's see our gogos, and Ethan, open your packet.
Here.
Okay.
You see this paper from the sun? Hold on a second. Wait.
Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera.
I got it. Wait.
Here, get him. Hold the camera. Hold the.
This could be hold.
Okay. Okay. Now let me just. I'll try to open it for you.
Try to open it, but I just with the paper, so this is trash.
Okay.
So I'll put my paper in the trash.
Okay, there we go. What you got?
Let's see, I got.
Open and let's see.
Yeah, I got. Oh, shiny thing.
Oh, we already have him. We have him. Look. Let's see.
Shiny.
Open this for me. We have him. I have him. Wait, let's see. Yeah, we'll find him later. Ooh, nice guy. Okay.
Thank you.
Put him up there. Put him in the tin. And
Okay, I got.
oh, that one looks nice.
Thanks.
And another one is.
Oh,
we have the same. We have the same. Look, we got the same twins.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got.
And your stickers.
I got.
Oh, we have him. We have the yellow one of him. Yeah, we do.
I got this guy.
We don't have him. We don't have him.
No.
What else do we got?
I got this guy.
Oh, we have him. We have him. We got 2 of those stickers. And now it's time for me to open my pack.
Now.
And here we go. Let's open my pack.
Now I need to put my stickers on my tit.
And I'm gonna open my pack now.
And see how I got.
Okay, I got. Oh, I got a little girl.
Ew.
This guy looks cool.
Oh, what?
This guy. No laser go-go, but this guy. So. And my stickers is. Oh, I have him. Him and. Wait, Ethan, let me see your sticker. Your other ones. Okay. Who's the other guy?
I see this right here.
Yeah, I think I have this guy. And is there anything else? No. And that was our unboxing Gogos Crazy Bones.
And let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is the stickers I got.
8. I got 8.
Okay, so we're gonna make more videos soon. My cousin's gonna open a pack of Gogos, and I hope you enjoy our pack. And see ya.